Meaning of fin de siècle.
Fin de siècle.
Fin de siècle.
Fin de siècle.
Fin de siècle. Fin de siècle is a French term that literally translates to end of century, commonly used to refer to the cultural and intellectual climate of Europe during the late 19th century. This period was marked by a sense of decay and decline, as people grappled with the social and political changes brought about by industrialization and modernity. Artistic movements such as symbolism and decadence emerged, emphasizing themes of decadence, morbidity, and ennui. The fin de siècle era was a time of ambiguity and uncertainty, marked by both nostalgia for the past and a fascination with the future.